Hello and welcome back to Enuvian Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and delicious Indian dessert, Rava Kesari. Starting with boil 2 cups of water. Add some saffron and 2 drops of yellow food color. Mix well. Rava Kesari is a popular sweet from South India, often served at festival. In Karnataka, it is called also Kesari Bath. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. The word Kesari means saffron color in Sanskrit. Now keep aside. In a pan, add half cup ghee gradually. Add 3 tablespoon cashew nut and 3 tablespoon raisin. Roast for 30 seconds. Now pour 1 cup Suji or Semolina. Keep stirring. Always roast the Semolina slowly to avoid a raw taste. Roast for 5 to 7 minutes. Now pour in the hot saffron water. Mix well. Add sugar only after the semolina is cooked well. And cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the water dries out. Now add half cup sugar. Mix and cook until sugar dissolves. Adjust the ghee according to your taste for a richer flavor. Finally, pour the rest of the ghee, mix well, and your soft, fragrant Rava Kesari is ready. Semolina is rich in iron and magnesium. Cashews and raisin add natural energy. Ghee aids digestion when used in moderation. Saffron has antioxidants that support good health. Have you ever tried Rava Kesari before? Which Indian sweet is your favorite? Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.